The future of war is here, a chilling reality. The integration of artificial intelligence into military operations is no longer a distant concept, but a present-day phenomenon. AI has moved from fiction to the battlefields of today. What was once the realm of science fiction is now a tangible force, reshaping the strategies and outcomes of modern warfare. Recent advancements are seismic, altering conflict fundamentally. The pace at which these technologies are evolving is unprecedented, bringing about a paradigm shift in how wars are fought. Algorithms now dictate life and death, a terrifying speed of change. Decisions that once took hours or days are now made in milliseconds, with algorithms determining the fate of combatants. Fully autonomous weapons, once theoretical, are now in development. These systems can operate independently, making decisions without human intervention, raising ethical and strategic questions. Military AI is tested in live exercises and combat zones. These real-world applications provide invaluable data, refining the capabilities and effectiveness of AI-driven systems. The U.S. Army invests in AI/ML systems, reshaping warfare. This investment is not just in technology, but in training soldiers to work alongside these advanced systems. This isn't just about targeting, it's about redefining warfare. AI is being used to develop new strategies, predict enemy movements, and optimize resource allocation. Nations are in an arms race for algorithmic superiority. The country that masters AI technology first will have a significant advantage in future conflicts. The smarter AI will dominate future conflicts. Superior algorithms can outthink and outmaneuver human opponents, making them a critical asset in warfare. Machines are learning to operate beyond human control. These autonomous systems can adapt to changing conditions on the battlefield, making them highly effective. The line between soldier and machine blurs. As AI systems become more integrated into military operations, the distinction between human and machine roles becomes increasingly ambiguous. AI surveillance sees all, predicting enemy moves. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing critical intelligence and foresight. Autonomous drones hunt with precision. These drones can identify and engage targets with unparalleled accuracy, reducing the risk to human soldiers. The soldier of tomorrow commands intelligent drones. These advanced tools extend the reach and capabilities of individual soldiers, making them more effective on the battlefield. The battlefield merges digital and physical realms. Augmented reality and virtual simulations are becoming standard, enhancing situational awareness and decision-making. Human intuition is augmented by artificial cognition. AI systems provide insights and recommendations, complementing the instincts and experience of human soldiers. This transformation is profound with an uncertain endpoint. The full implications of AI in warfare are still unfolding, and the future remains unpredictable. The implications are vast and demand our attention. Policymakers, military leaders, and technologists must work together to navigate the ethical and strategic challenges posed by AI. We must navigate this uncharted territory carefully. The decisions we make today will shape the future of warfare and the role of AI in our world. Technologies like SpotTD offer a glimpse into the future, where the battlefield is transformed by advanced systems. SpotD Safe Pro Object Threat Detection enhances battlefield awareness, providing soldiers with critical information. It transforms drones into intelligent scouts, scanning for hidden dangers and ensuring safer operations. SpotTD identifies deadly threats like landmines and cluster munitions, which are often hidden from plain sight. Spotlight AI trademark processes images in real time, pinpointing hazards with remarkable accuracy and speed. Proven in Ukraine, it supports demining operations, saving countless lives and making the terrain safer. SpotTD's performance is a testament to its effectiveness and reliability in the field. It has processed over 1.3 million images, identifying 23,000 threats, showcasing its extensive capabilities. This system accelerates demining and offers significant military advantages, reducing risks for soldiers. AI-driven detection systems like SpotTD are indispensable in modern warfare, providing a strategic edge. They are digital sentinels in a new age of conflict, constantly vigilant and ever watchful. SPO-TD's success attracts military strategists. The Pentagon values its AI capabilities for drone deployment. SPO-TD aligns with the DoD's vision for a data-driven military. Its unmatched threat detection fills critical gaps in modern warfare. SPO-TD integrates seamlessly into existing platforms, providing real-time intelligence. Its field-proven reliability builds trust among military decision-makers. SPO-TD's AI constantly scans and learns, enhancing battlefield awareness. It is becoming a cornerstone of military operations. AI is transforming the future battlefield, bringing unprecedented changes to warfare strategies. Expect swarms of lethal drones, overwhelming defenses with their sheer numbers and precision. These drones will be weaponized, guided by sophisticated AI, capable of making real-time decisions. AI-driven drones will revolutionize remote mining, increasing efficiency and safety in hazardous environments. They will create intelligent minefields, adapting to enemy movements and changing battlefield conditions. AI technologies like SPO-TD counter these new threats, providing advanced defense mechanisms. Larger autonomous combat systems are developing rapidly, with engineers pushing the boundaries of innovation. Robotic tanks and unmanned vessels will operate independently, executing complex missions without human intervention. AI systems will form interconnected networks, creating a battlefield IoT that enhances coordination and response. This modernization reshapes military forces, making AI a dominant partner, fundamentally altering the nature of combat. AI reshapes command and control in military operations. It assists leaders in making rapid, data-driven decisions. AI sifts through vast data, presenting clear pictures of complex situations. Predictive analytics forecast enemy movements and strategies. AI becomes a strategic advisor, offering insights to commanders. AI-enhanced surveillance provides unprecedented situational awareness. It raises questions about privacy and potential misuse. In cyber warfare, AI detects and counters threats at machine speed. The conflict is fought by algorithms, where the smartest code prevails. The ethical labyrinth of military AI is troubling. Lethal autonomous weapons challenge moral and legal principles. Machines making life-or-death decisions is disturbing. AI's speed and efficiency could lead to rapid conflict escalation. The risk of losing control over advanced technologies is real. AI systems' behavior can become unpredictable. Malfunctions or hacking could have catastrophic outcomes. We must tread carefully, balancing power with control. Military AI casts a dark shadow over human conflict. Soldiers face robotic foes, altering courage and sacrifice. Civilians fear autonomous drones, lacking human accountability. AI dehumanizes warfare, making it seem cleaner and more palatable. The human cost of conflict becomes less visible. AI advancements pose profound ethical challenges. We risk faster, more destructive conflicts with less human control. The echoes of fear warn of unseen scars from an AI war.